Algarve lovers, welcome to paradise. And today we're here on the beautiful island Ilha de Armona, and we're going to show you a lovely 4-bedroomed bungalow on the island that is available for holiday lets. Check this place out, guys. So we're a 15-minute ferry ride from Olhao, and this time of year the ferries are every hour. I think to start 7:30 in the morning and finish at 8:30. We've got a couple of lovely beach bars, Afonso 3 and Carlos Bar 2 next to it. Got the ferry terminal there. It's nice, isn't it, guys? Wicked that. It's a beautiful day today, guys, about 30 degrees. And as you get off the ferry, you're met with about 6 bars. You've got Paradise Bar up there. You've got Kalinos and Talinos Bar there. And the house we're going to show you is like a 5-minute walk down the footpath. So come along, guys. On the way down, guys, there's a little mini supermarket there. Little souvenir stalls. And about 600 meters down this path, we'll come to the house. So come and join me, guys. So we've arrived at the house, guys, and this is a 4-bedroomed little bungalow, island style. It's pretty cute inside. It's all open plan. So you've got your living, dining, kitchen, all open up. You've got the 4 bedrooms, all lead off the lounge. It's quite modern, this, actually, for an island house. So I'll show you the first bedroom. So the first one's a double. If you do have a holiday here in the winter, you've got the wood burner there. You've got another double here. Now all the bedrooms on the islands, or on the houses of the islands, are all very small. So there's a couple of, there's a twin room here. We've got another single here. It's got a nice bathroom and shower there. And then we pop out to the sheltered area where the barbie is. Just in the background over there, guys, is the beach. If you can see that tower in the background, just beyond that is the main Atlantic coast. And here is the Rio Formosa. Is your outdoor terrace. This is where all the action happens on Armona, guys, around the barbie. Barbecue and sink. This is where you'll spend many, many hours if you do ever come to a house like this on the island. It's quite cute. We have lived on this island before. Actually, it was next door. They actually had the house next door to it where we lived for 2 years, and it was absolutely perfect. So, guys, the reason why I'm showing you this now is we have a last-minute cancellation from the 20th of July to the 3rd of August. If you'd like to rent this house, guys, just drop me a message in the comments below and I'll get back to you. It's a beautiful place. So pop back in from the back door, and if you do leave both doors open, you do get a lovely breeze running right through the house. So take a last look, guys. So guys, if you can't make it this year, but you'd like to holiday here next year, then I'll leave a link in the description below me and Sue, we've prepped this house today, and we're now going to walk back down to the ferry to get the boat back to Olhao, and we're going to have a cheeky little drink. Hope to see you in the next one, guys. Ciao for now.